Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech TV. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to find Trust Wallet address. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to receive payments in Bitcoin or other digital coins, you'll need to find your wallet address first. Without a wallet address, the sender can't complete a transaction. So, if you ever want to find your wallet address on Trust Wallet using your iPhone, then follow the steps. Tap open Trust Wallet app and make sure to log into your account. Make sure you are inside the main wallet page of Trust Wallet. You'll be able to see the tokens list displayed on the screen. Select any cryptocurrency you want to receive and find the wallet address of. For example, let me tap on Bitcoin. Once you tap on Bitcoin, tap on the Receive button. On the next page, you'll be able to see a QR code along with your wallet address displayed on the screen. Tap on the Copy button in order to copy your address for your Bitcoin wallet. You can also share and forward the address to another person via email or text message. That way, you'll be able to find a wallet address of a particular cryptocurrency on Trust Wallet. Remember that each cryptocurrency has a different wallet address. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.